A Google TV is almost like a smartphone these days. You can install apps, play games, and share files with it. But for all that to work, we need the Google Play Store. So, in this guide, I'll show you how to open the Google Play Store on your Google TV. The first thing you need to do is to be on the home screen of your Google TV. Then, use your remote to navigate to the Apps section. Here you have all your main apps. Google Play Store should be here. Select it with your remote. Then, press OK or select on your remote. Now, you can look through the Play Store and look for all the apps available. To install one, you have to select them. Then, choose the Install button. After the installation, the apps will show in your app gallery. And that's how you open the Google Play Store on your Google TV. Hope you found this guide helpful. And if you did, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.